to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all.
Alright, good morning guys. It is May 3rd, and so today we are gonna be doing some fertilizing on the yard, aerating, I'm thinking, if it doesn't rain. And what else we got? Fertilize, aerate. So we'll do that. Thatching, we're gonna be thatching, so we're gonna take this simplicity out. And so yeah, that's what we're doing today, guys. So we got our quick cat back the other day for the carburetor. There was something missing in the carburetor or something, like fell off. I don't know, wasn't sure, but we got it back. It's gonna be good, ready to go for the season. Our season's kind of slow, but it's right now. We're getting there. It's picking up now. Michael and my brother, they went up pick up the dump truck and dump trailer. Both of those got DOT'd, so we're good to go. We are good to go there. Since we don't have stickers and stuff on our other truck, the truck that Michael's been driving, and we got it DOT'd, so we need stickers on there and DOT number. For now, we're going to use my old magnetic one for temporary until we get the new ones on. So you guys make sure, get your DOT registered on your trucks. Make it legal. Make it legal.
But I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't.
Alright guys, we're gonna go do planting. So we got 3 arborvitaes we gotta plant. Alright guys, so we're back at this house that we built the wall for, and now we're gonna put 3 arborvitaes in. It still looks nice. The grass is growing. Rock. Finished this project in the fall, guys. Last fall. I think this was one of our last projects we did. Now, just putting 3 arborvitaes in. So Michael, we got done with the first little project. Michael's loading up the fertilizer, Toro splitter there. So that farm we'll thatch and everything clean up, then we'll fertilize. Gang out here. I know. Those twigs, we gotta pick all them twigs up and stuff. Like all them. So let's walk around the property here quick. So we got trees, all those twigs, all that have to be cleaned down. We gotta clean all this. Blow out like by the houses. What's that? Yeah, we'll pull the dump up this way later in a little bit here. But yeah, clean all this, all them. Blow out like all them leaves. The same thing in the front entrance here. And then like these voluntary trees we gotta pull out. And then we'll have to remulch it. I'll get some mulch. We'll remulch that, all of this, and then clean. Yeah, all them twigs has to be picked up. And then in here too, all them trees, those little trees, we'll pull that out. We want the beds in there, we don't have to worry. Right here, blow out, clean all that out. Alright guys, so the crew is cleaning out the beds. I've been thatching. Cleanup work done. Now Michael's gonna start fertilizing. It is all clean. Only thing we gotta do is bring mulch. Get mulch installed in there. Alright, there you have it, guys, all cleaned up. Nice and clean. Right here. All done. Fertilized as well. The only thing we got left is to put the mulch in. Stone mulch. Gonna have enough?
I don't know.
Shit. How far are we over here? Uh-oh. So I'm gonna show you guys our lawn care setup. Here's our first, our 2019 lawn care setup right here.
I think it's just moisture from it being cold.
Alright, so we got the BR600, you guys, for our blower. And we got the Green Touch, yeah, Green Touch backpack. I don't know what they call it, holder there. And then the trimmer racks, Green Touch. Let's see. So we got the quick hat back from the dealer. We had to get it tuned and fixed, I guess. The carburetor, something was missing in it. Setup. New Predator Pro 7000, guys. Right there. Alright guys, so there's this new 2019 Predator Pro 7000. We're going to take it out for the first, well, maybe second, third time here. Last year we didn't get a chance to take it out too much because we just got it last year. So this is our first year.
Chasing the highs, yeah,